Okay, we're working on another bike that someone brought here in a vehicle because it doesn't roll worth shit. So, the first problem is the brake pads are not supposed to wear all the way down to nothing. Your rudder will look like that. And this wheel is a new wheel for this bike, so we got to make the spacers fit because it's a little loose right now. Evidently that's too loose to be usable. Okay, he's not filming, that means you're in charge. I thought you were working though. Okay, here's our new pads. These look thicker than these ones. Do these fit in this hole? Did you try yet?
No.
Do you care if I scratch your bike up?
You're doing the work, so it's going to be protected.
It's already scratched, so I don't have to worry about nicking the chrome. Okay, so we got to pull the pads out. That's this little small screw right here. And then you got all these pins and crap that are going to go all over the place. Now you know exactly where those go, don't you? Perfect. Alright, I can't see what we're doing over here. Is that a Torx head screw or Allen? What is it, Allen or Torx?
Torx.
Torx. I brought my new kit for you. These are not broken in yet, so we're going to guess. I'm thinking the big one.
Fresh breakout, huh?
Yep. Yeah, maybe bigger than that one. No, that was the one. So if you didn't bring the quarter drive socket with you, did you? Ratchet. It seems pretty damn loose for being a correct size. You sure that's not an Allen in there? It looks like a Torx. Round it out though. Alright, I need a quarter drive socket. Okay, what'd that look like? What the hell they got going on back there? It was unscrewing until it stopped. I don't like just forcing stuff. Shouldn't have to. That's screwing, so it goes all the way through it. That is the bolt we're looking at. See how it's screwing?
Mm-hmm.
So why does that not come out? Kind of a shoulder in there, or what year is this bike?
08.
08. So they got some kind of a fancy snap ring in there, it looks like maybe. Some kind of a safety device. Okay, see that spring clip looking thing?
Yeah.
That actually looks like it's some kind of a safety device retainer piece of crap. So that must come out right now. Okay, so there you go, that's a clip. So when things don't want to come anymore, don't keep forcing them, see? There's a reason why things don't move. Of course it gets hard again anyway, but it's not that much different. What, are you putting lights on the bike now too? Oh, that's another caliper. What, you got all the brakes off?
I had to take the
Get the wheel off?
Yeah, to get the wheel off, yeah. Better than taking the fender off.
So these are new wheels front and back?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
It's better taking both calipers off instead of taking the fender off. It's too much work with the fender.
I think you still got to pull the calipers to get the wheel out anyway?
Yeah.
Okay, this doesn't want to come any further. So we're going to have to try to knock it out a little bit. Got my other stuff. See? Look at that. Looks like it's made for it and everything.
Jeez.
Should have brought yours to break yours in.
I did. That's how we took it off.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Good.
Appreciate it.
So you were the first test of that tool to see if it would work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're going to use a nice safety device like this to use as a hammer. That did not seem to want to come out. So something else is retaining that pin in there. many more safety devices are in here.
Hard.
Alright, I don't know what else is in there. There must be something in there protecting it from coming out. These shouldn't be making it not come out. Those are just spring clips that are just moving up and down. They're not retaining anything. I don't know if this is just all corroded in there or has it got some other major issue with it. Okay, looks like that makes a real punch. So what's he working on up there?
What you got going on here, buddy?
Oh, you know, we're working on the how Tatro can start off.
Alright. Got me a real punch.
Oh, there you go. Oh la la. That's the screw that you got to punch out, huh?
I think it was just the groove in here was beat up real tall, so it needs to be filed down so it slips in easier.
Gotcha.
Okay, I think the pad came out.
See that screwdriver?
Where's the other pad? So that is your brake pad is worn. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and compress these pistons back in a little bit.
Like the pry bar, right?
It's called a screwdriver, but yeah.
Okay.
Hand me that motherfucker when you're done.
What, you want this tool also?
Yeah, this ain't doing it.
That little tool ain't getting the job done? You need the big boy one like this.
Yeah.
So
What
these-
color is it, Tatro?
This one's chrome.
No, but what's the grip?
It's darker color.
Which you hold? You said, what is it called? A long screwdriver or
Screwdriver. These pistons are out so far they don't want to go back in.
not even if we bleed them?
These aren't needed to be bleeded because pistons can go up and down all they want.
You didn't open the bleeder valve. Right?
It's just when they get out so far they get cocked and
As
that's
long
when
as
they
you
got
ain't got no
problems.
leaks or nothing's not leaking.
That one does not want to go back in. Hey, stop.
Oh shit, my bad.
Okay, so these brakes are linked. That piston just about came all the way out.
That's
Yeah.
because I just hit it on the back brake like an idiot.
Is that what you were doing over there?
I pushed down the back brake, which is going to push the caliper out.
Okay.
That's
Good.
why the caliper moved.
Well, that's a good reason for it.
Tatro's like, whoa, wait.
You're doing
You got
something up
something
there.
going on right there, huh?
Yeah,
The caliper moving by itself?
that thing almost popped all the way out. It'd be a big mess when that happens. Okay, this pad does not want to go back in. So what's the limitation of the pad? I don't know what's coming, so I'm going to try it without it. There. See, it should
there
be able
we
to go
go.
in. See, now it's going in like it's supposed to. So there's something, probably that spring was screwing with it or something. There, see how they're going now?
Yeah, this piston does not want to go back in.
I'm gonna put this one back in there. That was hitting on something, it's not keeping letting it go down. I guess that's all the way it wants to go. Oh, there it goes. One's further. So that screwdriver is just the right size for the distance in there, see? Okay, so now that one's all the way in.
Let me see that.
I'm not done yet. Trying to steal my tools? You're not going to compress my pad on me again, are you? My brake?
Motherfucker still won't move. Yeah, damn.
Where's my screwdriver?
Yeah.
The little one. There we go, right here.
Right in front of your face, man.
There you go. No, I didn't have it. Someone stole it from me. Okay, so now I need to file this edge off right here a little bit. Someone give me a file. So what are you doing up there?
Trying to push the caliper back so I can put it back on the...
Now, is the other one off the bike too right now?
I put that one back on already.
Okay, good. If not, you can stuff these in there. Then.
Well, these are good in the front.
Good?
Yeah. I gotta hold it some way, bro. I can't hold it and twist it at the same time. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I know it's not pushed back anymore.
I just don't want this to fall.
What?
This.
Oh yeah, I will hold that.
Making stuff on there. You put a staple down there for me? It's in a safe location now. They peeked in front of the trailer and throw staples out here where I walk on my bare feet. Yeah, nice.
See what you're doing there.
I'm filing down the burr on here, so hopefully it'll go back in the caliper without a problem.
Smoothly, right?
This should just slip back in the hole. You shouldn't have to beat it in with a hammer or out with a hammer like we did last time.
Or like it just did now, right?
Like it just went back to go, like it was made to go in there. It's almost like it was made to go there, see?
Damn, boy.
Yeah, you can't use those words around here. Okay, that's tight.
Oh, Tatro gonna have to get this open.
And we got a little retention clip that goes back
That
in the hole.
motherfucker's on there tight.
And you put swearing over there. Okay. That's back like it belongs. Pads are back in there like they should be. If we're lucky, that'll fit back in the hole like it was made for it.
Oh, 2 bolts for that?
I got 2 bolts. Got an Allen out too earlier. Okay, now we take this here and figure out where they're supposed to be at. And into all the spider webs. Okay. Now, as long as he doesn't hit that rear brake, we're fine. Okay, now we got a reference kind of where the rotor belongs.